MPTS 2026. Duncan from Tuxera. Tell us a little bit about what you do at Tuxera.
So at Tuxera, we make enterprise-grade file sharing software. So it replaces open source like Ganesha, Samba, and NFSD to provide high-performance SMB and NFS file sharing. It's really, really comprehensive, incredibly powerful enterprise-grade sharing where the open source kind of reaches a level and we go far beyond that.
Yeah, great.
Fantastic for media, incredibly powerful.
Yeah,
that's what we do.
And we're we have a little integration together. Tell us a little bit of how we work together.
Yeah, so I've known Ortana for years, and I think it's a really, really great integration. So it's really good to be working together. And for you guys to be able to control the elements of our software that make it so easy to integrate is such a great opportunity for integration with other platforms, with other vendors. It's just a really, really good mix.